Hi all, this is just a brief video to show you how to use the Perusall program that we'll be using this semester. So let's start by going to the modules tab here. Right, this looks slightly different than your page, but if you come to modules under week 1, go to syllabus review, click on that. This is going to take you to the instructions for this syllabus review assignment. Please read through that. So to get to the Perusall part of this, right, you click on this link here, load syllabus review in a new window. This will take us to the Perusall site. Let this load up. Here we go. Okay, this looks a little bit different, so let me go to student view. This should look more like what you see. All right, and you should have, what do we have here? If we go to syllabus review, due coming up. All right, so let's go work on assignment. Okay, there's a tour you can do. You can go through all this. I don't really think it's super necessary. If you want to see what Perusall is capable of, go through all that, that's fine. I'm just going to end that tour for now though. All right. And now here I am at the document PDF version. I can scroll through the whole thing. This is what we looked at together in class briefly. And this is what you're going to look through and annotate for this assignment. So with Perusall, what this allows you to do is highlight text. So I can highlight any text I want, right? And as soon as I highlight it, it takes me to this part over here where I can leave a comment, right? So if I make a mistake, oh whoops, that's not what I meant, just close that, I'm back to the document. And so what you want to do with this assignment is look through the syllabus and find things that you find interesting or confusing or whatever, right? I just want us to practice using Perusall and look over the syllabus this week. So let's just say I found this interesting, pop open here and you can leave a comment. Oh wow, this is interesting because blah blah, blibbity blah blah blah, etc. etc. Right, and then you can post that. Right, post that, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's fine. And so now, you want to leave at least one comment on the syllabus. And you want to come back and comment on someone else's comment, engage with one of your peers with one of the comments they leave. So if you if you come through here, it should be highlighted, right? I'm back to the document. You can see this is highlighted. If I click on here, the comment is up here, right? This is interesting because blah, blah, blah. And now I can enter my own comment. Oh, wow. I never thought of that. I never thought, of that. This is interesting because, etc., etc. And my spelling, yeah, that's terrible. Anyways, so that's how you can comment on each other's stuff. You can, see, you'll see that highlighted text when you come into the document. And this is a way that we can annotate a document together, right? So now, look at that. I have my comment. I can leave my comment, and now when I go back here, there should be, you'll see a number of comments. There will be a conversation, and it can go on and on those conversations. Okay, so that's a basic way of how we're going to use Perusall. We're going to use this almost every week, so you'll become very adept at using it, I hope. Okay, please do, email me, of course, if you're having problems using it or you have any questions or concerns or whatnot. Okay, thank you very much.